He's gonna eat a lot when he gets home.
Gordo, Gordo.
Look at Daddy.
Mala, esa esquina ahí, donde está la... De ahí.
He tries to bite it. Oh my God, he bit it. No, you're not supposed to be biting stuff. Mm-mm.
Just two, suck on it, but...
You have no teeth.
He's like, fuck it, I'm gonna get it.
You're biting stuff you're not supposed to be biting. You have no teeth. How are you gonna break it down, huh? Silly boy.
Say, fuck it, Mama, I'll get it, I'll get it.
He's getting it. Look, he's been eating
You
it.
like watermelon, huh?
He ate the whole thing.
You like it? No, what about?
I don't like the chunky stuff. I just like the juice.
But he's biting it. That's what makes it funny, because he has no teeth.
I don't know how he's getting it, though.
He's like, ooh, that one's bigger.
Who did it?
Yeah? No? You still want to eat? Funny. You are so funny, you know that? How are you going to bite something? He's biting. I can feel him biting.
Yeah.
I hope he doesn't choke on it.
No.
You don't want to cut in the dirty table. Right here? All the stuff all on the table. I'm not eating already.